Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in this video, I'll share a direct question asked by the divine to me, which was that, so you will never get married? And that time I was in 9th standard. And this question was asked immediately after an event happened in my life. So I've already shared in previous video that there was a guy who were trying to be in a forceful marriage with me because my karmic parents were ready. I've shared that story with you, wherein I was sent as a student at his place. So you can hear it from there. So immediately after that, divine asked me this question, so you will never get married? Because that time I dictated to my karmic family and to that guy that I'm not interested in marriage. So when divine asked me, I said, you know what, the best thing about you is that you are asking a question to me whether I'll get married or not. You are not talking like these 3D karmic parents. They say you have to do this, and you have to do that, you have to get married. So you are not talking like that. So I respect that, and I will surely reply this question of yours. So I said, because I don't have any problem with marriage. I have no problem getting married, but the problem is the way people live their life. I have seen people are in so much of hurry to get in a relationship, and then to get married, and then also in a hurry to break that particular relationship or a marriage. I have seen that in my life. So first of all, they take wrong decisions, they make wrong decisions, and then when they are getting the results of their wrong decision making, they do not blame themselves. They start blaming society, people in their life, and to you as well, to divine. But they never say that it is their mistake. So I have also seen people living from a 3D matrix, that probably in India, that you have to get married at this particular age, otherwise this will happen or that will happen. So that has been a particular sort of forceful thing put it on everybody, that this is a particular age within you should get married, otherwise this will happen or that will happen. So I said, first of all, I am not interested in marriage, and even though if I want to decide to get married someday, that will be at my own timing. It would never be that decided by somebody else. Another thing, once my karmic mother was asking me this question, that what are the reasons that you do not want to get married? So I said, what have you achieved by getting married? What bigger things have you done in your life? Just got married and did this and that, and certain events she has gone through in her life after marriage. So I told her about that. What about that? And then after this also, that she was the one who selected a guy and a female for particular people in our family, and they all were crying, be it male or female. So they were blaming that my mother has put them in a wrong marriage, she did not select the right partner for them. So these were relatives and those people also. So I said, everybody is blaming you that you did this intentionally, and but wherein I know that your decision making is the poorest. So let me be clear with you that first of all, I do not want to get married. Maybe if someday I decide to get married, the guy will never be of your choice, because you are not good at making decision, not identifying the real intentions of people. Another reason I told to divine for not getting married, in my family, I have seen when parents who are looking for a guy for their daughter, they look for how much money that guy has, how good looking he is, and what sort of name, fame, status they have. And then they will choose that guy for their daughter. So on the basis of name, fame, money, status, and what sort of job or business this guy does, on the basis of these relationships were formed. And when I look at these female also, they also had this criteria. If they want to marry, the guy should be rich, the guy should be having a good career, be it business or a good job, and should be good looking, and certain other things, name, fame, status. So I saw all sort of females in my life, who were always getting into marriage or relationship on the basis of these things. And then be it love marriage or arranged marriage, I saw people crying. So my understanding was, it is their problem. They are always in hurry, they are poor at decision making, and then they are getting the results, and then they are blaming. So if I will get married, I'll get married at my own timing, and I'm not a normal person, because I hold a lot of powers. So there are certain things and several other things, I told to divine. But all of a sudden, a thought came in my mind, why even divine asking me, for this marriage question? Then I told to divine, or I asked, that which means that you have seen a guy for me. So divine said yes. Why did I ask this question? Because once divine told me that they are my real parents. So from their point of view, I asked. So the divine said yes, we have seen a guy for you. And there, I dictated a lot of terms and conditions to divine with a lot of politeness and kindness. But then yes, as I am a stubborn person, and I have been a stubborn person, wherein I was in acceptance that I was able to stop these karmic parents, because it is about 3D matter, wherein communicating with the divine, I am not powerful than divine. Yes, I am powerful, but not more than divine. So I will not be able to go against divine's decision, as they have seen a guy for me. So that was the reason I dictated a lot of terms and conditions, which I will share in a separate video. And reason for me sharing all these things, again, it is connected to the twin flame journey and twin flame connection. So this was about today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.